Hello, my name is Susanne Kneece, founder of Speech and Language Songs. I am a speech-language pathologist and musician. I write, perform, record, and create all of the content you see and hear for speech and language songs. Many of you have viewed my core vocabulary songs, and I wanted to share a few tips with you about how to get the most out of these songs and videos. So let's jump right in. You can use these songs with any method of communication. You can use these to elicit verbalizations, model American Sign Language, utilize any form of AAC, which stands for Augmentative and Alternative Communication, and anything else you can come up with. As with any song, the most fun part is singing along. These songs are designed to be simple, accessible, and repetitive. A perfect combination for a budding language user. If verbalizations aren't an option, we can use a different method of communication. Don't be afraid to utilize more than one method at the same time. Trying to find an engaging way to teach sign language? You can sign right along with these songs. At first, it may be helpful to focus on 1 to 2 target signs per song, and then build up to signing the entire thing. Remember, we all learn more quickly when we are engaged in the activity, and music is a great option for many learners. Now let's talk about using these songs with AAC. Remember, AAC stands for Augmentative and Alternative Communication. Start off by modeling right along with the song. In one of my songs, we sing, "I want to go." Utilizing the actual device, you can sing right along by selecting the appropriate target words on the device. After modeling, prompt the user to do this on their own. Fade these prompts over time as appropriate. Each user will need a different level of support. Attempting to select all of the words in the song will most likely be too difficult for most users. In this case, choose the appropriate amount of target words for each individual. If that is just one target word, just focus on that one for the song. I have worked with many users that were only ready for one target word, and we stuck with that one word for a lengthy period of time. That is certainly okay. It may take many models before an AAC user starts to utilize a word on their device. Be patient. If a high-tech solution is not an option, you can use many low-tech options as well. You can use a manual communication board. This could be just a screenshot of a high-tech device, an aided language stimulation board, individual symbols paired with a speech-generating switch, or anything else you can come up with. Each user will be different and will require an individualized approach. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really hope it helped. Please subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button below. Have any questions or comments? Drop them in the comment section. Thanks.